How to change your company on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your company on Truecaller. First open Truecaller and then click on your profile here. After that click complete your profile. Now scroll all the way down until you find here street. Click on it and if you want to change it, just type any street you want here and then click save. And that's it. And if you want to change it again, you can change it easy and quick. Just click on it and that's it. I hope that can help you. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.